Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to connect or pair Bluetooth phone. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Now, first thing, here on the main screen you can either press the phone button right here, or you can do it also through here and press on the phone. And once you get into this menu, you will press connect phone. Here you will get the list of the phones that are already paired with the vehicle but not connected, and now to add a new phone you will press add phone. And now I will continue this video by recording the screen on my phone. First you want to enable the Bluetooth on your phone. And now you will get the list of all devices. Now I have a bunch of paired devices here, but you have to scroll down all the way to available devices, and you should find my GMC and press onto that, and this will start the pairing process. And now this passkey 877949 should appear on the vehicle screen as well. If it does, press pair on the phone and also press pair on the vehicle screen. Pair, and that's it. Once connected, you will see your phone listed under the connected devices, and that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.